Hi dear students, welcome to online education program. So, previous session I explained various methods of index number. So, under that here one case is there. So, how to that particular problem how to solving with using so Laspier's method, Postier's method and Fisher's method. So, using three methods to construct a index number. See, the case is construct an index number by using Laspier's method, Postier's method, Fisher's method from the following data. What data is given? Commodity is given, years is given. Year 2007 and 2014. 2007 it can be considered as P0, that is called it as a base year, and 2014 is considered as P1, that is called it as a current year. Now, commodity A, B, C, D, 4 commodities are given. Under that, here what is that price and quantity is given. So, this is called it as what is that this is 24 is for commodity A, that is a P0, then for commodity A, so Q0, like that is given for the base year and the current year with the various prices and commodities. Based on this data, we have to calculate construct an index number for the using Laspier's method, Postier's method and Fisher index method. So, in the solution, so I have to calculate what is required for the calculation of index number under Laspier's method and what is that Postier's method and Fisher index method. So, commodity A, B, C, D, 4 commodities are given. Now, here I have to take P0, Q0, that is for base year, then current year P1, current year price and current year quantity. So, I have to consider. So, here for 2007 as the base year, price is for commodity A 24, B is 9, C is 16 and D is 10, that is a price for base year. So, 24, 9, 16 and 10. Then quantity for the base year 8, 3, 5, 3. So, this is the quantity for the base year. 8, 3, 5 and 3. Now, current year price 30, 10, 30, 10, 20 and 9. So, this is base year, what is that current year price 30, 10, 20 and 9, 30, 10, 20 and 9. So, now current year quantity is 10, 4, 8 and 4. So, this is the data what is given in the case. So, that can be rearranged according to the requirement. Now, is asking the first method, that is the first method is what is that Laspier's method. So, in this method he gives importance for the Q0. So, that is index number. So, P01 equals sigma P divided by sigma P0, then he gives the importance for Q0 and Q0, that is the formula for so Laspier's method into 100. So, sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100, that is the formula for Laspier's method. Now, calculate P1 Q0 first. So, separate one column, that is a P1 Q0 has to calculate. Then after that P0 Q0. Then under that Postier's method, he gives importance for Q1. So, therefore, P01 equals sigma P1 divided by sigma P0. So, he gives importance for Q1 divided by Q1. So, that is the formula for Postier's method. So, P naught 1 equals sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. Now, he has to calculate here P1 Q1, P1 Q1 and P0 Q1, P0 Q1. Just as to multiplication with these numbers. Now, P1 Q0, P1 Q0, P1 Q0. So, multiplication of these two values, then we will get the P1 Q0, that is 240, 30, then 100 and 27. 240, 30, 127. So, this is summation has to calculate or total has to calculate here. So, the total of this summation of P1 Q1 is 397. Like that P0 Q0 multiplication of these two, so that is 24 into 8, 192, then 9 into 3, 27, then 80, then 30. So, 24 into 8, 192, 9 into 3, 27, 16 into 5, 80, 10 into 3, 30. So, summation of P0 Q0, that is 329. Now, calculation of P1 Q1. So, P1 Q1 just multiplication of these two. So, this is 1, 2, 3. So, that is P1 Q1. So, 30 into 10, that is 300, then 10 into 4, 40. So, 20 into 8, 160, then 9 into 4, 36. So, 340, 160, 36. So, total of this 536, that is a summation of P1 Q1. Like that, so P0 Q1, P0 and Q1. So, this is the fourth column. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, based on this has to calculate, that is 24 into 10, 240, 9 into 4, 28, 16 into 8, 16 into 8. So, here 24, 9 into 4, 36, 16 into 8, 128, 128 and 10 into 4, 40. So, summation of P0 Q0, so that is 444. So, based on this has to calculate what is the index value here. Now, sigma P0 Q0, sigma P1 Q1, that is 397 divided by summation of P0 Q0, that is call it as 329 into 100 we will get the answer is, that is simplified it 1.2066 into 100. Now, so finally, it multiplication of 100, so that is 120.66 under index number under Laspier's method. Under Pasteur's method, same thing. So, summation of P1 Q1, is 536 divided by summation of P0 Q1 is 444 into 100. Simplify it, we will get, that is 1.2072 into 100. So, that is the final answer is into 100, that is 120.72 under Pasteur's method. The third one is, what is that? Fisher's method. The formula for this, that is what is that? Index number P01 equals square root of Laspier's method into Pasteur's method into 100. So, Same thing, the formula can be extracted here, that is P naught 1 equals square root of sigma P0 sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P1 Q0. So, sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0, same thing, into the posteriors, that is the sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1. So, into 100. So, this is the formula for under Fisher's method. So, summation of P1 Q0 Q0 into summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of PQ, what is that, summation of P0 Q1 into 100. Now, we have to take the values of this, simplify it, square root of, so P1 Q0 is 397 divided by 329 into, so summation of P1 Q1 is 536 divided by, so sigma summation of P0 Q1 is 444 into 100. Now, square root of this is simplified, so the value will appears 397 divided by 339, so that is 1.2066 into, simplify this, so 536 divided by 444, that is will get 1.2072 into 100. Now, square root of multiplication of these two will get 1.4566 100. So, square root has to cancel here, 1.2068 into 100. Now, the final answer is 120.68 as a index number under Fisher's method. So, this is the solution. So, how it is drawn the case or the question. So, then how it can be calculated or the solution can be extracted. So, see here, construct an index number using the last year's, past year's and Fisher's method. Three methods are asking. So, commodity are given, years are given, so base year and current year. So, with the price and quantity are given. So, based on that I have to redraft the table, commodity, base year price, base year quantity, current year price, current year quantity. Based on that it can be develop the P1 Q0, multiplication of P1 Q0. So, that is 30 into 8, 240, 10 into 3, 30, 20 into 5, 100, 9 into 3, 27. Like that P0 Q0. So, P0 Q0. So, multiplication of these two column will get the values of this. So, 24 into 8, 192, then 9 into 3, 27, 16 into 5, 80, 10 into 3, 30. So, that is summation of P0 Q0, 329. Like that P1 Q1, that is a P1 Q1 multiplication of these two, 30 into 10, 300, 10 into 4, 40, 20 into 8, 160, 9 into 4, 36. So, summation of P1 Q1 is 536. Like that P0 Q1. So, multiplication of first column and fourth column. So, we will get the what is that P0 Q1, the 24 into 10, 240, 9 into 4, 36, 16 into 8, 128, 10 into 4, 40. Summation of P0 Q1 is 444. Now, we required data we calculated. Based on that, so has to apply the formula and has to identify the index number. So, first method is the Laspeyres method. So, always index number P01 equals sigma P divided by sigma P1 divided by sigma P0. This is the index what is that index number formula. So, that is the base. Based on that Laspeyres method gives the importance for the Q0, that is a quantity of base year. Based on that, so here has to develop the formula P naught 1, that is a index number under Laspier's method. So, equals summation of P1 Q0. So, with what is that, gives the importance for Q0 divided by Q0. Then that is see the part of this summation of P1 divided by summation of P0, then in addition of Q0 as to addition. So, totally summation of P1 Q0 divided by summation of P0 Q0 into 100 will develop the formula for under Laspier's method. Like that. So, after that, whatever the calculations we developed in the table, so apply that. Summation of P1 Q0 is 397, summation of P0 Q0 is 329. So, into 100, you simplify that, this will get the index number is 120.66 under Laspier's method. Like that, as to develop the formula under Paaschi's method. So, P naught 1 equals sigma, that is summation of P1 divided by summation of P0 with gives the important under quantity of a current year, that is summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q1 into 100. So, just as to Q1 is addition of nomination and denominations. Then after that, whatever the calculation we developed in the table, so that is sigma P1 Q1 is 536 divided by sigma P0 Q1 is 444 into 100. So, simplify this, will get 120.72 is the index value under Paaschi's method. Then after that, Fisher index method, that is so index value equals index number equals square root of Laspier's into Paaschi's formula. So, just this one and this one has to taken with multiplication, applying the square root into 100. So, that is the formula has to develop. P naught 1 equals square root of sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. Simplify this, will get the solution, what is that, index number under Fisher's method. So, just as to apply this. So, 397 divided by 329, so into 536 divided by 444 into 100. So, simplify this, 1.2066 into 1.2072 with the multiplication of with 100. Square root of multiplication of these two, 1.4566 into 100. So, cancel the square root, that is 1.2068 into 100. So, finally, we will get 120.68 as the index value under Fisher's method. So, this is the case and problem under the Laspier's, Paaschi's and Fisher index method.